आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने भूखों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन बारे मैंने उंगली जला दी। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, सारी बारे नीले आसमान के तले। शुक्र हो तुम्हें देखा, हमें देखा, जिंदे शामी गाने के तले, आजा जरी वाली नीले आसमान के तले। शुक्र हो तुम्हें देखा, हमें देखा, मैं तो भी
Dah teko dikhaya na hilang. Wo dah tena da.
Ladies and gentlemen, HMDA, Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority, welcomes you to Lumbini Gardens for India's first ever multimedia laser show. Nothing. And then, nothing. And then there was everything. Different notes find a common string. The music is simply magical. When separate colors dance into heavenly shades, the purity is sheer white. When diverse emotions mingle, the fusion is humanity. When different cultures blend, the result is a lasting civilization. When people learn to live with each other, the harmony is eternal. Shah, the king, heard about his son's love for a beautiful Hindu girl. He thought it was but a passing fancy, an infatuation of youth. But then one day, there was a storm. The river Musi was in flood. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, however, wanted to meet his lady love and could not be denied. Braving all danger, the young prince swam across the turbulent waters. Bhagavati was ecstatic, but the king was appalled. He immediately ordered that a bridge be built across the river Musi, and it is that bridge of love that is today called Purana Pul. The love story between Muslim monarch and Hindu commoner has a wonderful ending. They got married and lived happily. ever after. But not before they gave the Deccan the gift of a name. As a token of his love for his bride, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah first called the city Bhagyanagar. When after marriage she was christened Hyder Mahal, the city was renamed Hyderabad. The construction of the city started with the Charminar, which was to be its centerpiece. 4 roads were to radiate from this magnificent monument towards the north, east, west, and south. The road to the west led to the famous Golconda Fort. Hyderabad starred in a romance that cut across religious divides, Golconda too was the stage where Hindu-Muslim amity took a divine bow. When Abul Hasan Tana Shah, the last of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, heard that Ramdas, a Hindu employee, had used government money to build a temple at Bhadrachalam for Lord Rama, he was naturally upset. "I'll repay the money if Lord Rama has mercy," said Ramdas humbly when questioned, and was promptly sent to prison with the order that he be released only when his Lord Rama settled his dues. In prison, Ramdas showed his jailers that as long as he had the power of prayer working for him, he was free. The jailers told their king about the miracles in the cell, but he was not moved. One day when Abul Hasan was sleeping, it is said that Lord Rama and his brother Lakshmana appeared in his dream and produced a receipt for payment of the amount due to the king. Next morning, the Sultan personally came to the cell where Ramdas was interned and released him, and became perhaps the first Muslim ruler in the history of mankind who was blessed with the divine darshan of a Hindu god. It is legends such as these that set the tone for the evolution of Hyderabad, a city of peace, a city.
दादाला को बाक हमको जो वहाँ चढ़े हमको
A flag that had ruled for over 2 centuries heard the battle cry of an India hungry for freedom and made way for a tricolor celebration of independence. As India evolved into a republic of states, Andhra Pradesh was formed, and Hyderabad became the state's capital. centuries, it has now blossomed into a world city.
Hyderabad, superstar Hyderabad, smart style and trendy fashion, everywhere glamour. Rim jim Hyderabad, superstar Hyderabad. Look here, hero acting. Look there, heroine dancing. Look here, hero acting. Look there, heroine dancing. One film is love story. One cinema full comedy. Lights, camera. Lights, camera, action and welcome to Tollywood. Hyderabad, superstar Hyderabad, smart style and trendy fashion, everywhere glamour. Hyderabad, superstar Hyderabad. La 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 la.
아니 부시 마요 먼저 하자. Ate yun eh. Unti-unti ni kira kanang ilaw natin. Mana dulu ya, Mak? Ada jalan. Ini apa kita pakai AC?